How to fix Roblox game not loading problem. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open settings. Click on apps and notifications. If you don't find apps and notifications here, simply search it up. Then press on Roblox. You will find this kind of screen pop up. Click on storage and cache, which is the third option. Then you will find this kind of screen pop up. Click on clear cache and then click on clear storage. Only clear storage if the first cache does not work. If you clear your storage, all your data will be deleted. You will need to log into your account again. So if clearing cache solves your problem, you will not need to delete data. And this is how to fix Roblox game not loading problem. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.